Proprietors have confidence that driving a Prius will help mankind, yet at any rate sitting in the mixture doesn't have a craving for going to chapel any longer. The 2018 Toyota Prius is a checked change in general solace from past ages, particularly its front seats. Beginning from a normal of 5, the Prius gets focuses better than expected for holding 4 grown-ups as publicized, with space for load under an extensive liftgate. It gets a 7 out of 10 on our scale. The most up-to-date Prius is more agreeable than past cycles. The front seats have preferred reinforcing and more profound bottoms over the last age's seats. It's a superior view as well. The Prius trenched the last age's obsolete data screens for top-quality shading shows that we'd anticipate from an auto worked in this decade. The secondary lounge in the Prius authoritatively situates 3. Only 2 in the Prius Prime, which is conceivable. However, 2 grown-ups will be more agreeable on long outings. The 33.4 crawls of backroom to breathe on paper is authentic, however it's headspace that may crimp taller riders more. The slanted roofline cuts into headspace, so 6-footers will require short middles to fit serenely for long. The slanted roofline and lift-back body style has its advantages, more inside payload room. The Prius gloats in excess of 27 cubic feet of freight room. The inside is better this time around for true blue seating for full measure grown-ups and some small amount of solace. The liftback bears more payload limit than ordinary cars, in excess of 27 cubic feet in many cases. The Prius plane ostensibly situates 5, albeit 4 will fit better. The Prius Prime doesn't offer a backseat bump, it's only 4 as it were.